Hey everybody, Jimmy from Wise Wealth. Gonna make a Sunday watch list video here. Try to make it real quick because I know it's late and I just want to give you guys something to look forward to for the week. So here's the small caps Russell 2000 IWM breaking out of a 3-4 year base here. The bigger the base here, the much larger the breakout's going to be. So our first target is going to be looking at least 256 and ultimately 283 in due time. I imagine even by January when elections or when Trump takes office, I should say, we could get there. Risk on appetite is absolutely nuts, and that couldn't be further explained more than in small caps and Bitcoin, the two most risk on assets, you could argue. Speaking of risk on assets, Bitcoin, like I just said, breaking out of a huge base here on the weekly chart. You can see we've been building here since March, popping out here of the head here, looking at our first target to be 89, 90,000, then eventually probably 100,000. And once that 100,000 breaks, you'll probably see another crazy pop to this 113 level. You could even argue that this is a base that's been building for, well, since 2021. You could say this is the cup and then here's the handle breaking out. So either way, this from March base breakout, just textbook and a little more on the sloppy end of a cup and handle breakout. The next one we'll talk about is the S&P 500. Not a whole lot to talk about because we're in blue sky territories monthly chart here, obviously just going straight up per usual, but we'll go into the daily here. In retrospect, what a great pullback to the 50s here pre-election. Obviously, no one knew it was going to happen, but we are up, I think, about, 5.5% in 4 trading days here, so we are getting quite extended. I would like to see some sideways or some pullback, but I imagine this euphoria will last into January. The next nice setup that I see, I know, GameStop. Why I like this so much, though, as I said, risk on assets are going absolutely crazy again. It kind of gives you that 2021 vibes. You see it in small caps, you see it in Bitcoin. There's really not more risk on than that. And this setup here in Bitcoin looks very, very, very similar to the previous run we had back here. I posted somewhere on the Twitter of the similarities, so if you want to go look back at that. But it had the large pop, it pulled back, and then it built this large base, and it's still here, had another 100% pop in it. Now, GameStop is not the same animal it was back then because the short interest is not nearly what it was. I remember correctly, it's like around 7% right now. I'll have to double check, but here we had that pop pull back, and now here's that same exact looking base here starting to perk out here, and this could at least produce another similar 100% run like it did back here. I mean, again, it's hard to say how much this will run again because now this is more running off actual longs than a short squeeze. But once this name does gain tractions on social media, I mean, we've seen it at the beginning of this year, it just can go absolutely nuts. And again, the risk on environment is perfect for this to happen. Speaking of another large breakout, obviously Tesla, we all know the Trump-Elon relationship is largely benefiting this stock, and this again is another monster breakout. Obviously getting kind of extended, but ultimately this looks like it wants to go back to all-time highs. We'll go here, look at the monthly chart, and look at the actual breakout. I mean, this is going again back to 2021, so again another 3-4 year base, well, pennant breakout here. I would not doubt we get back to all-time highs around 400 here. The shorter term, though, you'd obviously want to see it hold 300, and in this week at least break 330, and it has room to 350. That 350 would be my next shorter term target. Let's see what else we got here. ASPI is a nuclear name that we've been watching. I don't want him to get too technical because I don't even understand the whole concept around nuclear quite yet. I'm still researching a lot of this, but they do make some element or something of that sort that is completely unique to them. And they're, well, if you look at the nuclear space in general, it's been going absolutely nuts in the past couple months to support the AI chip demand. This is a name that we longed at $5 here. Another nice little breakout. It's really just been going sideways since it IPO'd here in 22. But now that we are breaking out here and the sector is getting so hot, all these names have been picking up steam. Again, you can go look at other names. I think some of the other tickers like OKLO, VST is another one. We posted again a lot of this stuff in the Discord. We have a screenshot there, all the nuclear names to go look at. This name in particular, though, is yet to really explode like the other names. And we had a huge pop here from a big partnership. Again, we longed this here at 5. Now we're looking for the break here at 9, and then again, blue sky territories. Who knows how much of this could run, but this is a really good speculative name that I really like with the theme around it. That's really all I have for you guys right now. Again, there's so many names to go over that we've gone over like in the last 3 weeks in the Discord that have gone just absolutely insane. I mean, AppLovin, an incredible earnings beat added to the NASDAQ. It's up again, I see, on the Robinhood 24 hours, just incredible. UPST upstart, we called this initial break right here a pop, flags again, great earnings, fills this gap. I mean, just incredible. Again, go back to the Discord, go into the TA channel about 3 weeks ago. It is insane, all the charts that we posted there and the moves. I mean, just tons of 100s and 200% moves, just absolutely incredible. That's really all I got. Coinbase too, another big breakout actually from the Bitcoin pop here. I saw approaching 300 on the 24-hour markets tonight. Once that breaks, we're looking at 320 next. This is actually another high short interest name. SoFi was another name that we longed at 850 here. Another high short interest name. That's what I'm saying. Risk on environment right now is just absolutely incredible. There's so many great looking charts right now with the indexes as high as they are. I mean, Palantir was another one we nailed. Again, just go in the Discord. If you ever want to go look for individual names, you can go up in the search bar, type the ticker in. But again, we're extended. I'm hoping for some consolidation and set these patterns up, or these charts up again. But other than that, I will touch base with you guys again, well, every day throughout the week as per usual. And hopefully we can get these videos going a little more frequently. But again, Jimmy over here at Wise Wealth. Come check us out. Everything's 100% free. And we hope to keep it that way for a long time. So enjoy, guys.